Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a remelt. I'll get to that in just a second, but before I do, I just want to say I hope everyone out there that's in quarantine, sort of like myself, we're being told to stay at home. So I hope you can watch lots of YouTube videos and keep yourself occupied for the next couple of weeks until hopefully they find a solution for this virus. But stay safe, stay inside, and just keep yourself busy. Otherwise, you're going to go crazy. So I'm going to be trying to make as many videos as I can for you guys over the next couple of weeks so that it keeps you occupied and you've got something to watch. Okay, so back to this soap. Now, I did this yesterday. This is the end result. So what I did was I made pink clear soap with mica. And then I added 2 drops of titanium for each layer, and there's 10 layers in total. So I had pink, and then I added 2 drops, and then I poured 1 layer, and then I added another 2 drops, and I poured the next layer, and the next layer, and the next layer. And what I got is this bright pink to a sort of a pink color, but it's really faint, and it's hard to see. And it's not the result that I was looking for. And I was only adding 2 drops of titanium dioxide per layer. So in this video, I'm going to remelt it all back down and I'm going to add 5 drops per layer. And we'll see how that goes. Because 2 drops was clearly not enough. There is a gradient there, but it's very hard to see. So hopefully 5 drops will do it. So let's get started. So this base is 1,100 grams. I've scented it with 20 grams of cherry blossom. I figured that that was the perfect fragrance for this color. And what I'm going to do, as I said before, I'm going to pour 100 grams at a time into this mold. And there's going to be 10 different layers. And each time I'm going to add 5 drops of titanium dioxide. So here's the first layer. Okay, spray the top. So from the previous video that I did, I know that each layer requires about 10 minutes to set. So I'll be back in 10 minutes to do the next layer. But for you, it will be 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so my layer has set up. I'm going to add some liquid titanium dioxide. This is designed for a melt and pour base. So I'm going to add 5 drops and then mix that in. You know what? I don't think that's even changed. I might have to use 10. So I'll add another 5. Wow, I think I added way too much pink. Well, we'll pour that anyway and see what happens. Okay, spray the loaf. Now I'm going to add 100 grams. That's pretty close, 99. Okay, just sprayed the top of that and I will be back to add the next 10 drops and then add the next layer. And I'm going to continue doing that for 10 layers. Okay, so I'm going to add another 10 drops. Hopefully this changes the color a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Just a little bit, not a lot. All right, so I'm going to spray the top and add 100 grams. Spray the top again and come back in 10 minutes. Okay, just little me, I'm back again, add another 10 drops. I'd hate to say it, but I don't think even 10 drops is going to be enough. I think I added way too much pink. Oh my god, I definitely added too much pink because this is not even going pastel. Okay, spray the top, spray the loaf, and pour 100 grams. All right, I'll be back in 10 minutes to do the next one. Time to add the next 10 drops. Oh, I think I got 11 in there. That's okay. Spray the top and add 100 grams. Spray the top again. Another 10 minutes, I'll be back. Okay, time to add the next 10 drops. Okay, this is starting to clump up a bit, so I'm going to microwave it and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm going to spray the top again. And pour 100 grams. Spray the top. Next layer coming up soon. Okay, another layer. 10 drops. Okay, spray the top. And add 100 grams. I'll be back in a minute for the next one. Okay, I'm here to add the next one. 10 drops. Okay, we're going to spray the top. And pour 100 grams. Okay, next layer is coming up in a second. Okay, add another 10 drops. Okay, spray the top of the loaf. And 100 grams. Spray the top. Okay, so I think we've got one more to go and then we're done. I'll be back with the next one. So another 10 drops. I really don't think this is doing much. I mean, I am seeing something, but I am seeing a difference, but it's very slight. Okay, spray the top. I think we'll just add the rest. Yeah, because it was only another 50 odd grams, 60 grams to fill the loaf up. So once this hardens, I'll cut it up and I'll show you what the results are. So this has been about 6 hours now and I'm going to unmold it. Okay, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. Still, I'll take you over to the light here. So obviously bright pink, light pink. You can definitely see the gradient, and I can see each individual layer, which is really nice. I don't know how you would get around doing that. It must be like 20 drops of titanium dioxide per layer. That just seems a bit overkill for me. That's probably a better view. So I'll cut a couple of bars and take some photos and I'll throw them in right now. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.